Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off show captions or for all calls on your Skype app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your Skype app. So all you have to do is you just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, and all you have to do now, so you just click here on call in here, and it's going to take you here in this window. So you just click here on call captions here, then it's going to take you here in this window. You just come here to show captions for all calls. You would click here on this sign or this color, and like you see now color, it's gone. That's mean show captions for all calls. It's on off now. I wish you I get it. That's also just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.